Hello YouTube, I am back with another video. This video, I usually do the art books in the YouTube Shorts format, but today is sort of a special one since it came in the mail recently, and I sort of wanted to unbox it with you guys. So before I do the unboxing, the box is right here, but before that, I'm going to show you guys the previous art book that I got from this artist, and that is Guweiz. I think that's how they say their name. But yeah, this is the art of Guweiz. I don't know when I got this art book. I got this art book like a while ago, and I'm only recently showing you guys because when I got this art book, Guweiz did the Kickstarter for his latest art book, and that's the world of Guweiz, and this is just the art of Guweiz. I don't know if that's how you say his name, but yeah, I'm just gonna briefly look at this, and then I'll do the unboxing portion of the next art book. So I'm just gonna briefly, go through this art book, and yeah. Again, sorry for the glare. The glare will always be an issue until I get better lighting. But yeah, Guweiz is another artist I've been following for a while now, as in like deviant art days too. Same with Kushnov Ilya Kushnov. Once again, just same like with Wish too. Anime usually is the start of everyone's journey, so to speak. Like we first learn how to draw in what can be seen as a typical anime art style, and then we sort of we develop from there. We learn blending techniques. We learn how to not use the airbrush all the damn time. We do photo studies because I've seen this pose used in a lot of photo studies. Just look at Pinterest. I'll try to put the image there that this is based off of, but I see a lot of artists use this photo as a reference to do their paintings. But overall, yeah, I love the narrative storytelling that Guweiz has as illustrations. These are really good. I like this. I like the framing. Like it's all shadows like here, but the light background frames this character so it's not lost. Just little details like that is really good. Also redrawing a piece that you've done a long time ago and doing it again and again to really see like tangible improvements in the art. And yeah, basically I'm just gonna flip through since this video is not about this art book but the next one. But yeah, I love his art. It's pretty good. Oh, I really love this piece too. I think I had this as my phone background for a while, and this piece sort of inspired this piece that I'll put up here if it shows up. So yeah, again, an artist that I've been really inspired by. So when he had that Kickstarter, I immediately backed it with, I don't know if I did the highest one, but I did back it up with a certain tier to get some goodies attached. Yeah, he also uses 3D modeling or figures if the posing is difficult. Yeah, pretty good art. Shows like his process for some of his stuff, or some techniques, some character designs, all that good stuff. But yeah, this video is not really about this art book, although this is a pretty good art book. By 3D Total Publishing. I think they had something at the back. Yeah, here. It shows other art books. I do have the sketchbook of Wish and art of Wish, which I did a YouTube short on. I'm going to get the sketch of, I don't know if her name is pronounced Asia or Asia. I'm going to get that book too. And maybe the Cozy Days. I think I've seen this one around. I might get this one too. But more art books again in the future when I have time. But again, this video is not about this art book. It's about this one. Now, that's unfortunately during the mailing shipping, this thing sort of was attached to it, and I'm gonna block my address here so you guys don't know where I live. Although I'm moving soon, so it doesn't really matter anyway. But yeah, the world of Guweiz. So I did open it a bit. So just to get a peek at what's inside. And yeah, time to, I guess, officially open it with you guys, since I don't know really what's in here. I don't know what this is. Oh, so yeah, this is what I mean. I backed up certain tiers to get some of these goodies. I think these are bookmarks? Question mark, I guess. Yeah, postcards. Again, I'm gonna try to avoid the glare as much as possible. Oh, I really love this. I love how dark and desaturated and vibrant this is. This is such good use of lighting. Okay, put these away to the side here. And what is this? Oh, these are stickers. I'm like looking at this like, this is like a character sheet, but no, these are stickers that you could, yeah, that you could peel off. I'm not gonna do anything with these yet, since I don't have anything to paste them on, or at least my current laptop is something that I don't want to paste this on. Okay, yeah, these are pretty cute. Cute stuff to sort of have and collect. All right, come on. Okay, so that was the goodies for doing a certain tier. I also got this, the zine or zine. How do you say this? I don't know. So yeah, basically, just thank you so much for your support and picking up the sign. I felt it would be a good format to add a bit more artwork and write about things that I couldn't quite fit in the main book, despite its considerable length. Yeah, this is a pretty big book, and he still had extra pieces that he couldn't even fit in this. But yeah, again, amazing work. Definitely worth every amount of every penny that I put in this. Okay, so let me just put that over there. Okay, so this is the world of Guweiz, the art of Guweiz. I think oh, this is a dust sleeve. Okay, so yeah, that makes sense. So just to have a compare side by side, the art and the world, nice continuity. Yeah, by 3D Publishing. I'm going to assume that this is going to be available for the public, and like in the future. I don't know if it's going to have like the nice dust sleeve and goodies, but I'm assuming that the publisher is going to mass produce this, so people that didn't have time to back up this art book will be able to get it in the future if they so want to. Also, I just like this. Oh, I love the red. Facial expression is on point. The rendering is nice. The rendering is not too neat, but I like that loose sort of sketchiness. It gets the point across, especially with the braid. Okay. Also, I'm not gonna look at every single page. I do want you guys, well, I do hope they publish more of this, but I don't want to reveal everything in this video because I sort of want people to buy the art books to sort of like, you know, support the art, to support the artist. Yeah, I would say his art style is definitely, although it originated with like not typical, but generic anime-esque proportions, he definitely changed it up to something more akin to semi-realism, which is definitely my favorite type of rendering. And I remember for the longest time, is this Lady? No, it's not. I'm tripping. Okay, thought that was Lady from Devil May Cry. No, I think all of these are original, so to speak. Evolution of style and growth of mind. My last book did nearly 3 years ago. Okay, it's been that long. And okay, it's been 3 years since the last art book. Nice. Style. Okay. It's important to know that style doesn't remain static. It's a product of taste and skill, changing as its constituent parts gradually evolve. There's definitely a theme, so to speak, with this art book. I feel like there's like a bad girl section. Also, this cover is used in a different art book called, I think it's just Asian Illustrators. Again, I'll put an image here for that art book that I do have this art book, by the way. I'm just going to do a different video with this art book and this art book. I'm talking about American artists. So just do a side-by-side video or one video talking about American artists and Asian artists and comparing these art books. Yeah, but that's for a different video for another time. I still need to do the artist analysis that I'm editing as right after I do this video. I'm going back to editing that artist analysis since I finished the audio, and it's been a while since my last one, and I think I kept you guys waiting long enough. Yeah, I really like the facial expressions, the coloring, the lighting, nice sharp glow. This is definitely something I'm definitely gonna be going back to this art book to sort of study some, techniques. Is that how you pronounce his name? Guweiz? Or is this just a joke? Guweiz? Okay, now we have the process walkthrough. Now, see, this is one reason why I don't think, even if AI gets so groundbreaking, it draws like an actual person, which it sort of does anyway. I feel like, what about these parts of art books? Like, we're not going to get process videos. We're not going to get explanations. We're not going to get like step-by-steps in like any sort of fashion with AI, like art. Like, come on, like the art book would have been this size, and it'll just be images and maybe like prompts and words, and that's not fun. That's not interesting, not even slightly. Just seeing the development, the process, that really sells it for me, and I think for a lot of people too. I really like this rim lighting right here. Really good rim lighting. And the rain effect is pretty nice too. Again, good rim lighting too. It's like the... Okay, so yeah, it's the same character, same setting, different position, a different angle. Okay. I'm just gonna flip through some stuff. I think yeah, the bad guys gallery. Okay. Yeah, I feel like a lot of artists mainly draw women these days. Why is that? I can't talk because I do too. I don't know. Write in the comments on what you guys think. Like, why do artists, digital or not, tend to draw women all the time? It's a mystery to me, even to me, that those mainly draw women. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Guweiz, for another amazing art book. I will get future art books if you do create them. Let's see the back. Yeah. All right, and that was technically, well, that is the world of Guweiz, or Guweiz, however we pronounce it. Let me just bring this here to have a, I love this dust sleeve, but just to end the video off in some thematic continuity, I'm just going to have these side by side, and when the video ends, I'll just put back the dust sleeve. So yeah, that was these two art books. I do keep an eye on Kickstarter or some artists and their social media and whatever they post, if they're announcing an art book, if it's going to be dropping, if it's going to be on their website, or again, if it's something like this, like a Kickstarter, because I know Saki Michan did a Kickstarter for art book too, but I didn't have enough money to back that up, since it was like so many versions. It was like 4 versions of our book. It was like the guy version, the girl version, the not safe for work guy version, and the not safe for work girl version. And me being greedy, I wanted all versions, but I didn't have the money to get them all. And there was also, like, if you missed out on the previous year, the previous art book she made, there was a tier that you get those versions too. I'm like, that was like 5 art books, and I didn't have money to get all that. So in the future, maybe when I'm making bank, I'll go back and get those art books. But for now, I definitely put in the time and money for this one, and I don't regret it. Again, support your artists. Keep an eye out if they're dropping art books. Follow this artist, Guweiz, on I think Instagram, Twitter, Patreon, etc. Wherever you find this art. Isn't it called X now? No one's calling it X. We're gonna keep calling it Twitter. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Again, after I finish editing and uploading this video, I'm going to go back to editing the artist analysis, and hopefully that drops before this month ends. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Thank you. Like the video. Comment if you want. Subscribe, please. I just passed 11K. It's free and it's easy. You just have to press the button. And if you don't even want to see my videos, you could just not press the bell and just subscribe. And my links, my social media accounts are in the description if you want to support or find me and my work anywhere else. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.